The next one is Intune and Defender for Cloud. Well, two different things altogether, right? Intune is a mobile application management and a mobile device management platform or a solution. Mobile device management means it can detect devices. Mobile not necessarily means our phones, tablets. It also represents proper laptops or physical stations. It can manage those devices. It can manage those devices. How does it manage? We can create policies like ASR, attack surface reduction policies, to reduce the surface area of attack by shutting down certain ports, by shutting down certain services. We can also configure something known as a compliance policy. Now, in order to become compliant, a device should have minimum version of operating system as such and such. A device should have firewall turned on, and on top of that, certain firewall rules should exist. Okay. The device should have disk encryption configured. So if we have got certain devices which is not matching with these rules, we will not make the devices compliant. And through conditional access policy, we can specify if the device is not compliant, you cannot access any organizational devices. That is the reason sometimes when we ask the students, when we run the classes from our training center, will you be able to open your email from our system? Sometimes they say, no, I'm not allowed to, I can't. So that's a conditional access policy. The device which we have offered you to open your email not necessarily is meeting the compliance standards, and as a result of which you're not allowed to. We can configure encryption policies in Intune. We can manage applications installed on the devices using Intune. Okay, that's the MAM part of it, mobile application management. Whereas Defender for Clouds offers two main features: cloud workload protection platform and cloud security posture management. Cloud Workload Protection Platform is the capability of MDC, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, to offer protection for the virtual machines residing in Azure, offers protection to the containers, applications, databases hosted in Azure. And the Cloud Security Posture Management part of MDC is the capability of MDC to link compliance standards like ISO, GDPR, which Purview does. That's a feature overlap. Okay. So it offers protection to what? To cloud resources. I mean, those resources that exists in Azure subscription, your key vaults, your storage accounts, your virtual machines, your PaaS databases, and so on. And the cloud security posture management allows you to adhere to compliance standards. Now, Microsoft Defender for Cloud offers multi-cloud support. I mean, you can ingest the logs from AWS and GCP services. Maybe you're using AWS to host a very specific database. Maybe you're using the Google Cloud Platform or GCP to host certain applications, and you're also using Azure. So Azure has got this MDC, which can ingest security logs from other cloud solutions, and it can also allow you to perform investigation, one-stop centralized investigation.